Alright, so now we're
12-ton jack stands.
with locking pin.
This roof. Recently.
We're gonna. You gotta be careful. There's plates here.
That's not how it opens, though, is it?
No, this is plate style. So, you open it up and it looks like a plate. Alright, so what do we have here? We have the necks. Ooh, that is one neck.
How much does that weigh, roughly?
This, I would say 10, 15 pounds. Yeah. You want to try it?
Oh, yeah, this is like 20 pounds. We have different definitions of weight.
Pure steel.
Oh, is that like a safety pin?
Yes.
Oh shit. Oh, I can't return it now, voided the warranty. Away from you. Away.
That's what I did. And more.
Are the instructions? Yeah. Instructions.
Right. So, I mean, it's not like it's life or death type of situation, you know. And it came with a piece of wood, so it doesn't tear through the bottom of the box. All right. So.
Oh, free wood. Free wood if you have a project.
That's what he said.
Okay, what is that? 5 millimeters?
Are you gonna watch?
Oh,
okay.
Here.
So
you have to lift the handle to put those on.
Yep. So lift open to open the area. This is maximum height. We don't recommend this, but if you have to, what are you gonna do? Lift all the way down.
Put the other one too.
And then this guy here, this is additional support. You put this in, and then it locks it in on. It prevents this from going up. So this, you put the pin in, kind of like this. Square goes in the square hole type of thing. And then you put this other pin here to prevent it from going anywhere. That's it.
Sounds pretty, looks pretty solid.
Nice. So this is a safety pin. This is a safety pin for the safety pin. You know,
How to wake up your neighbors.
yeah. So let's set that one up too.
Now lift it all the way up and drop it.
All right.
Like all the way up, and then just drop it. Ready? That will break a microphone. All right. See you all in the next episode of stuff we got for and paid for.
No income.